At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a BNB, bed and breakfast, business can be a rewarding venture if you enjoy hospitality and meeting new people. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the BNB market in your desired location. Understand the demand for accommodations, the competition, and the preferences of your target guests. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. What will make your BNB stand out from others? It could be a historic building, a scenic location, themed rooms, or personalized service. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. 2. Legal and regulatory compliance. Check local zoning laws, building codes, and regulations to ensure that operating a BNB is permitted in your chosen location. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses required to operate a lodging establishment. This may include business licenses, health department approvals, and fire safety inspections. Familiarize yourself with tax regulations and any other legal requirements specific to hospitality businesses in your area. 3. Property acquisition or renovation. If you don't already own suitable property, consider purchasing or leasing a property that meets your needs and budget. Invest in necessary renovations and upgrades to create comfortable and inviting guest accommodations. This may include updating bedrooms, bathrooms, common areas, and outdoor spaces. Furnish and decorate your BNB with attention to detail, creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere for your guests. 4. Business setup and operations. Choose a business structure for your BNB, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Consult with legal and financial professionals to determine the most suitable option for your situation. Set up a reservation system to manage bookings, payments, and guest communications efficiently. Consider using a booking platform or creating your website with online booking capabilities. Develop policies and procedures for check-in, check-out, housekeeping, guest services, and other operational aspects of your BNB. Hire staff as needed, such as housekeepers, cooks, and front desk personnel. Provide thorough training to ensure that all staff members understand their roles and responsibilities. 5. Marketing and promotion. Create a marketing plan to promote your BNB and attract guests. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels, including your website, social media, online travel agencies, OTAs, local directories, and print advertising. Highlight your unique features, amenities, and personalized services in your marketing materials to differentiate your BNB from competitors. Build relationships with local tourism organizations, travel bloggers, and other influencers who can help promote your BNB to a wider audience. 6. Guest experience. Focus on providing exceptional hospitality and personalized service to ensure a memorable experience for your guests. Offer amenities and services that cater to the needs and preferences of your target market, such as complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi, concierge services, and local recommendations. Solicit feedback from guests and use it to continually improve and enhance the guest experience at your BNB. 7. Financial management. Implement reliable accounting and financial management practices to track revenue, expenses, and profitability accurately. Set competitive room rates based on market demand, seasonality, and competitor pricing. Consider offering discounts, packages, and special promotions to attract guests during slower periods. Monitor your financial performance regularly and adjust your strategies as needed to optimize revenue and maximize profitability. 8. Safety and compliance. Prioritize the safety and security of your guests by implementing appropriate safety measures, such as smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and emergency evacuation plans. Adhere to health and safety regulations, including food safety standards, cleanliness guidelines, and stay informed about industry trends and regulatory changes to ensure ongoing compliance with legal requirements. Starting a BNB business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a passion for hospitality. By following these steps and providing exceptional service to your guests, you can create a successful and rewarding business in the hospitality industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole